You've tried everything, no caffeine, comfy pillows, even sleep music, but you're still waking up exhausted. What if I told you the real problem isn't your bedtime routine, but something way more surprising? Fix this, and you'll start sleeping like a baby. The real reason you can't sleep, the biggest sleep killer? Your body's internal clock is out of sync. We're designed to follow a natural rhythm called the circadian cycle, but modern life is ruining it. Here's how. Screen time before bed. Phones and TVs emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, blocking the sleep hormone melatonin. Your room is too warm. The ideal sleep temperature is 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. If it's too hot, your body can't cool down properly, making deep sleep impossible. You're fighting your natural sleep schedule. Some people are early birds, others are night owls. Forcing yourself to wake up too early or too late messes with your energy levels all day. How to fix it? Fast, ditch screens. 1 hour before bed, use warm lighting or read a book instead. Cool down your room. A cooler temperature improves deep sleep. Follow your natural sleep pattern. Work with your body, not against it. Try these tonight, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed. What's your biggest sleep struggle? Let me know in the comments.